Okay, let's click on the Sheet 3 tab and then click any cell in column A, and let's go to the Data menu and select Sort, and from the Sort By arrow click the heading for column B, Customers, and we'll accept ascending, and then click the Upper Then By arrow and select City, and then click the Lower Then By arrow and we want to select Product, and here we'll select Descending, and then OK. Now click anywhere in column C and let's find and click the Sort Ascending button. Now click in column D and let's go to the Data menu and Sort, and we'll select Month and then click the Options button and select months from the first key sort order drop list. That one there, and click OK and OK, and there they are in month order, not alphabetical. Now let's go to the Tools menu and select Options, and on the Custom List tab let's type in some entries separated by commas: Excel, Word, Access and PowerPoint, and then we'll click the Add button to add our own custom list, and then OK. And now let's go to the Data menu and once again select Sort, and this time we want Product as Sort By, and click the Options button, and let's select the list we just entered from the first key sort order drop list, and OK and OK, and there they are. Now let's go to the Tools menu and Options, and on the Custom List tab let's select the list we just typed in and click the Delete key, and OK and OK. Now let's go to the Data menu and select Subtotals, and from the Add Each Change In arrow we'll select Product, and now let's click the Use Function arrow and we want Sum, and we want values as the column to add them into, and OK. And now double click on the join between E and F so that we can see everything, and let's save that.